Hello anak, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang sana lagi kang healthy and walang sakit and sana lumaki ka na may tapat sa Diyos and always happy lang. Yun lang anak.
First of all, thank you dahil binigay ka sa amin. Maraming salamat. Maging mabait kang bata, may takot sa Diyos, masunurin.
Good afternoon to everybody and welcome to the first birthday party of Swain Aries and welcome to the Little Mermaid Adventure.
So spread the word here and there to everybody.
Binat, happy first birthday, more birthdays to come. Continue to be a blessing to your family. Sobrang worth it ng pagdating mo, ng paghintay sa'yo. At patuloy mo lang pasayahin kami at especially si mama at si papa mo. Sobrang saya namin dahil kasama ka na namin.
Put your hands together for our birthday girl, none other than Aries!
I'm all about it. Let me show you what it's all about. I'm all about it. I'm gonna shout it from the rooftop loud. I'm all about it. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
Aries, I love you. Sana lagi kang masaya at lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos.
Sana lumaki ka ng magandang bata, lalo pa maging matulungin sa mga magulang.
Happy birthday, Apo Aries. Sana lumaki kang maganda, mas beautiful pa. At saka mabait na bata.
Basta susuportahan ka namin no matter what.
I'm all about it. Let me show you what it's all about.